I'm having the 1 to a, and here e also is there. What is the codomain for this function? A, B, C, D, E. Means the set containing the elements A, B, C, D, E is called the codomain. This is called codomain. And here, what are the elements are only mapped except E, the remaining all are having the some pre-images. Some pre-images are there. So that's why these are called as these 4 elements. If you are taking, that is called the range of function f. This is called the range of the function f, and which is having a, b, c, d. Okay, so this is the thing you need to know about the special area function. And like this, whenever it is mentioned to you, and most of the students are can easily understand when you see this picture, like this diagrammatical representation. Whenever you see that, you will be able to understand. But if you are able to see, means normally if you take the instead of diagrammatical representation, most of the students will get confused that if a function is given from the f from here to, means set of the real numbers except the 1 to the real numbers, and it is defined as a f of x is equals to 1 by x minus 1. If I ask the students, you people usually, whether this is a function or not, and most of the students will get confused, isn't it? Is I clear?
Yes, sir.
So yes, if I usually when I ask like this whether it is a function or not, then you will be in a dilemma, and you should be ready to check that whether this is a function or not also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell this is whether it is a function or not? Is it visible to you? If you are able to say yes, otherwise no sir, we cannot. Set of real numbers to 1. Simply you can check that.
First line what it?
F from the set of real numbers other than 1. Means in the set 1 I have written. Because if you take the 1, then this function is undefined. Means normally see here, if I am not taking this one, it is not a function. Why? Because in the domain, this is a domain now. In this domain there is a 1. 1 if you substitute here, what do you get? 1 by 1 minus 1. So that is nothing but 1 by 0 you will get. 1 by 0 is nothing but undefined. So undefined is not a number. So it is not possible in the codomain. So this will be empty. This cannot be related to anyone. So it is empty here. So that's why you can say that if you are taking this one without the singleton set, means if you are without subtracting the singleton set, then if you are taking this, then it is not a function. Suppose if I take that other than 1, that means in this domain 1 is not there. All the real numbers are there in this domain. Suppose if I take the 8.5, 8.5 will be there. And there will be a 1 by 8.5 minus 1. 1 by 8.5 minus 1. So it's nothing but 1 by 7.5. 1 by 7.5 you will get. 1 by 7.5 is completely different. Here there will be a 1 by 7.5. So it will be related to 1 by 7.5. And this cannot be related to another number now. This cannot be related to another number. Like this, you should be ready to check whether the given function, whether it is a function or not. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Just I have given a very brief introduction about the functions. Okay. So, you also go through the first chapter very clearly, and whatever the doubts you are having, you share me in a WhatsApp or through the Google Classroom also you can share. I think I am not able to see it in a proper way from here. Can you?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the board is visible clearly, but sometimes it is like means not clearly it is visible.
Okay, students. Do you have any doubts from your side? Generally, let us have a talk. As it is started, first day means we need to start, and your convenient time. What is your convenient time? You tell me. Can you audible?
So network is
Please, anyone
disturbing.
reply. A problem.
Yeah, sometimes you're audible, sometimes you're not.
Yeah.
You are not visible now.
So that's why let us do one thing here. Debelina,
Yes, sir.
normally we will have a class. You go on referring that through the YouTube links and other in other ways. I will share the information to you.